In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to compare two lists in Excel using XLOOKUP. Open Excel and make sure the workbook you want to compare is already open. I'll demonstrate the workflow inside this workbook, and you can follow the same actions in your own file. At the bottom of the Excel window, click the R Record Sheet tab. This is the sheet where the first list is stored. Now click cell D1 in the top right area beside the existing data. You should see the original columns in place, with invoice, date, and amount in columns A through C. And you should also be able to see the Customer List Sheet tab at the bottom. In cell D1, type Customer Amount. This creates a new header for the amount we're going to pull in from the customer's list. After typing the header, press Enter. Excel moves down into cell D2. In cell D2, start the formula by typing equals XLOOKUP, open parenthesis. Once you type that opening part, Excel shows the function hint below the cell. Now click cell A2. This selects the first invoice number, and that invoice number becomes the value Excel will look for. Next, type a comma. Go down to the Sheet tabs and click Customer List. On the Customer List sheet, click the column A header. This selects the entire invoice column on that sheet, which becomes the lookup array for the formula. Now type another comma. Click the column C header on the same customer list sheet. This selects the entire amount column, which is the return array. Excel will return the amount from this column when it finds the matching invoice. Type another comma, then type quotation mark, missing quotation mark. This tells Excel to show the word missing instead of an NA error when an invoice cannot be found. Type the closing parenthesis, then press Enter. Excel jumps back to the R record sheet, and cell D2 now shows the customer's amount for that invoice, or the word missing if that invoice was not found on the customer list. The completed formula should read as equals XLOOKUP, open parenthesis, A2, _, comma, apostrophe customer list, apostrophe, exclamation point, a colon, A, comma, apostrophe customer list, apostrophe, exclamation point, C colon C, comma, quotation mark, missing quotation mark, close parenthesis. Click cell D2 again to select it. Move your pointer over the small square in the bottom right corner of the cell. When the cursor changes to a black plus sign, double-click that fill handle. Excel copies the formula down through row 11, so each invoice in the Our Records list is checked against the customer list sheet. You should now see customer amounts in rows 2 through 11, with one row showing missing for invoice IN V-2237. Now click cell E1. Type status as the column header, then press Enter to move to E2. In cell E2, type equals IF, open parenthesis, C2 equals D2, comma, 2 quotation marks, with nothing between them, comma, quotation mark, check quotation mark, close parenthesis. Press Enter. This formula leaves the status blank when the two amounts match, and shows check when the amounts are different. Click E2 again, then double-click the fill handle in the bottom right corner of the cell. The status formula copies down to row 11. Now repeat the comparison from the other side. Click the Customer List Sheet tab at the bottom. Click cell D1, type Our Amount, and press Enter. In cell D2, type equals XLOOKUP, open parenthesis, then click cell A2. Type a comma, click the R Record Sheet tab, and click the column A header. Type another comma, then click the column C header on the same Our Record sheet. Type another comma, then type quotation mark, missing quotation mark. Type the closing parenthesis, and press Enter. The completed formula should read as equals XLOOKUP, open parenthesis, a 2, comma, apostrophe, Our Records apostrophe, exclamation point, a colon A, comma, apostrophe, Our Records apostrophe, exclamation point, C colon C, comma, quotation mark, missing quotation mark, close parenthesis. Click D2 again, then double-click its fill handle to copy the formula down to row 11. Now click cell E1, type status, and press Enter. In E2, type equals if, open parenthesis, C2 equals D2, comma, 2 quotation marks, with nothing between them, comma, quotation mark, check quotation mark, close parenthesis. Press Enter, then double-click the fill handle on E2 to copy the formula down to row 11. If this helped, Hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Both sheets now